So my cousin has a bird who is Sunny's, and his name is Kiwi, or the mixed kiwi. Kiwi is a bad bird, like Sunny, but worse. Once Sunny was flying normally, and Kiwi flew to him and bit him in the head. Me and my cousin were like, "Oh no, Kiwi, stop!" But Kiwi did not stop. In fact, another time, Kiwi and Sunny were attacking each other like for no reason. Like their beef never stops. I mean ends. Okay. Yes, they do. They're like two gangs who hate each other. And they both have smooth brains. Like me. Oh, by the way, Kiwi is smaller than Sunny. Just for the people who didn't know that. Hey! You see these birds? Yeah? They're smooth brainers like me. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, well guys, that's it for today's video. Bye!